Hey, what's up guys? RC Pilot 1013 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new UMX Carbon Cub SS. This is one of E-Flight's models that has the AS3X system, and you might see down here that it is the tow plane for the Ask-21 glider. This plane only comes as a bind and fly version, and it's not really suited for beginners, so make sure you have some experience under your belt before you go buying this model. Speaking of buying, the model costs $169, and it is a 2-cell ultra micro, so it's going to have some power, and it is a little bit bigger than most of these 1-cells. Excuse me, it's pretty much twice the size of the 1-cell models. But it is made by E-Flight, and you can see down here some of the specs. I'll let you guys take a look at it there. Officially licensed by Cub Crafters, so I guess this model has to be pretty scale. Go ahead and take a look at it here. On the back of the box here, you can see some stuff that comes in it. Of course, you get the Carbon Cub, your charger, battery, everything down there. You can buy the float kit for this model. It does not come with it though, so I think those are about $20. You can see it's got lights on it, so you got your landing light, navigation lights on there. Very first UMX with flaps. That's a very nice feature, and it's also got a magnetic battery hatch. So go ahead and take a look inside here. This is how the model comes, as all Ultra Micros come. Very nicely packaged in this foam cradle. We'll get right to the battery here. It's a 2-cell, 7.4 volt, 180 milliamp, 20C LiPo battery. It's got the Velcro on there. I believe these things only cost about 18 bucks, so if you want to go get a few more, it's not going to totally drain you out of your money, but you got 3 spots for them there. Over here, hold on guys, it's a brand new model right from the hobby store, so you gotta give me a minute and unpackage all this. Okay, the charger is a Selectra LiPo charger, 2S 7.4 volt DC LiPo charger. Says the charge rate right there. Input 12 volts DC. Start stop button, and charging instructions right there. And you get these alligator clips over here. I don't use these guys. I don't think anybody would unless they actually wanted to charge at the field, but just plugs right into there, and that's basically that. And now for what you're watching this for, the Carbon Cub. Hold on a second guys, I gotta undo this tape. And they really do package these things tightly in here. Make sure they do not get damaged during shipping. So as always, you have this little plastic wrapping to protect the paint job. And man guys, this thing really does look nice. Wow. It's a lot bigger than I expected too. Go ahead and set it up here. Very nice scale prop there. Oh, sorry about that guys. That's pretty cool. Carbon Cub Light Sport. there's where you would mount your tow hook. I'll get that out for you guys. Forgot about showing you guys that. A nice scale tail here. Underneath here, you've got a really nice cover for your servos here. So if you want to be doing some belly landings, I'm sure it won't hurt it. I'm surprised. These are some pretty big wheels, guys. For an Ultra Micro, I'm sure you could be able to land this in the dirt or grass. Here's your magnetic catch battery tray. Sorry about that, guys. There you go, you can see down in there. This model is just very scale, guys. I'm really surprised. That's really cool. They got some a vent right there to go over your electronics. You can see down in there. There's your flap servo on your on the roof there, and then your elevator and rudder servos that go back. It's really nice. You can see that right there. This thing actually has lights. I was looking in some pictures online, and it the green one kind of looked yellow in some of the pictures, so I want to make sure that it actually looks pretty green here in a minute. Man, you can see there's where you mount your float kit right there, and then you would unscrew the landing gear there. You can see here, some of you guys have the Champ. You might have the same problem that I do. Whenever you take a hard landing, the landing gear kind of bend back and like puncture into the fuselage of the airplane. You can see this has got a plastic plate right there covering the foam, so you won't have that problem with this here. Wow, guys, this thing is very scale. It's actually got a bit of weight to it too. It's a lot heavier than most of my other planes I have. It's a pretty nice feature right there. A little carbon looking type stuff to the nose of the aircraft. Give it that scale look of a carbon cub. Alright, guys, that's basically it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.